myself 𝐒𝐡𝒊𝒎𝒂𝒕𝒆. I am a trainee of QBO Hacks. Today we will see how to make custom fields, estimates, invoice and sales receipt, and convert estimate to invoice, convert estimate to purchase order, and some other things. For this, you have to go QuickBook. This is our QuickBook accountant interface. For doing this, we have to go our client interface. For this, we have to click this gear icon and then click on sample company. It will take to our sample company where this work will be done. Now this is our sample company. What we have to do, we have to do a custom field on invoices, receipt and bill. So let's start this. We click here new, and from here we click on invoice. Invoice will come in short time. Okay, here we can see this gear icon. Click this gear icon and a pop-up menu will appear. Here we can see custom fields, and below that there is add custom field. Click on add custom field and we will make a custom field and sales repeat. So we click that and we have to make a custom field on invoice. So we have to tick this all sales from, and if we want to see this custom field on print, then we will on this print on from. Basically we do not need this now, so I make it off and click on save. So here we can see we have an sales repeat custom box. We can also do this by clicking here on this gear icon and choose custom fields, and then add field. And we have to add field in sales receipt. So where is sales receipt? Sales receipt is under all sales from, so we have to click this all sales from and select customer types, and then we click on save. So we can see this custom field on sales receipt. And then we have to create a custom field on vendor details. Same things, add field, name is vendor detail. Vendor detail should go on purchase order. Vendor is related with purchase, then we can click here save. Now our first task is complete. Then we go to our second task, make an estimate. We have to make an estimate for venue working station. Let's do this. Click here new and click on estimate. So here we can see estimates. Now choose a customer. The customer will be venue working station. We have to add venue working station because venue working station not exists before. That's why we have to add our new customer. When we add new customer, this pop-up will working, and I will not make this field because I want to make it short. Anyone want to fill all the from can do this. I just make customer display name and email ID. So we make it save. Now what we have to estimate, we have to estimate design and pump. Design, the quantity is 5 piece. So here we click on quantity, then pump. The pump quantity is 10. And here we uncheck the text item box because we don't need text here. And now save and close. Estimate 10001 saved. And now make estimate to purchase order. We go to again and estimate, and here we can see this is pending. Estimate as status pending accepted means estimate is accepted by customer. We just keep these things right this pending. And now our recent estimate, from our recent estimates we will take this. Now we have to see that here is a vendor, where is our customer, and here is our customer, and we have to make estimate to purchase order. So make copy to purchase order. Here this is some items on the estimate not carry over to the purchase order, because here we can see the fountain pump is an inventory item, but the design is not an inventory item, it is our own item. And design we have to buy from other and sell to our customer. That's why this is an inventory item. Inventory item will only forward to purchase order, design item will not forward. So here we click on OK. Now choose a vendor. We have to choose a vendor, and for this we have to find out from where we bought fountain pump. For these things I am leave without saving, and to find out from where we purchase our fountain pump. Basically you can give any customer, but I choose to find it out from where we purchase this. Okay, purchase by vendor detail, come to report. Here we select all dates, and here we can see inventory item fountain pump. We basically bought fountain pump from Hicks Hardware, so I will select Hicks Hardware as a vendor. Here we go again, customer, estimate. From this estimate we will find out recent estimates, venue working station, and create a purchase order. Okay. Now select Hicks Hardware as a vendor, and as a customer we will select a venue working station. Now we make it save and close. So our purchase order 10005 is saved. Okay, we have done this. Our next task is invoice and sales receipt. Convert estimate to invoice. We have to convert this estimate to an invoice. Then we have to convert estimate to invoice. Same things, click on new, go on estimate. From here on reset estimates, we will open this, and now here we can see create invoice. We just click on create invoice. And then save and close. Invoice number 10387. Here one thing I forgot, who was our customer. When we basically convert estimate to invoice from the estimate directly, customer will add it automatically. For checking this, we will go on all sales, or we can go here by invoice. From invoice, recent invoice, here we just create a invoice, click on this, and we can see who was our customer. Venue working station. Here, venue working station. So convert estimate to invoice is okay. Now we have to come sales receipt. In sales receipt, our customer is Mark's Ruler Shop. For this we have to go on new, click on sales receipt, and select our customer Mark's Ruler Shop. So we can see this Mark's Ruler Shop is not existing, so we have to add a new customer. Just click on add new Mark's Ruler Shop and it will come. I just add the email ID of Mark's Ruler Shop. You can add as more as you want. Here title, first name. I just make it short. Mark's Ruler Shop. We have created. What we sell design. Now we have to see these things. Where is it deposited to? It will deposit it to undeposited funds. If this products return, then we have to identify that where this money will deposit. Now we will here click save and close. Sales receipt. Okay. Now credit memo, pump return. We purchase pump, we sell pump. Here we sell 10 pump to venue working station. So if we return this, we have to return on venue working station. Now new, credit memo, choose a customer. Here we select venue working station and then design. We do this and then return pump. What quantity we have written? For quantity. For uncheck this tax item and then save and close. Credit memo 1040 set. And then we refund design. Customer, who was our customers who we sell design to Mark's Ruler Shops, so this design return will be also on Mark's Ruler Shop. So customer refund, for this customer refund we click on refund receipt. Customer will be Mark's Ruler Shop. And then where we got refund from, we refund it from undeposited funds. What we return design. What quantity? Quantity is 1. Now we click it, save and close. If here you can see refund successfully issued. And then refund transaction ID was 1041, and then we can see we have to see a customer statement. For this we go to sales, here on customers. It is taking some time. Okay, here we can see the list of customers, and here is a search box. I can see here Ocean View Road, and then go to batch action and then create a statements. And what kind of statements we have to see? We have to see make transaction statement. So here we select from a statement type transaction statement. Statement date is today, start date and end date. Here we make 01 and then apply. Then we can see the customer transaction statement. Now here we save and close that. Now what we have done, we have to see here what is our refund process. Now here we go to all sales, and we can see here we paid $75, and there is the things we make is any statement of $525, and here it is said partially paid. Actually we did not pay this, we have the return as, that's why this 465 is due. If we see this, on print, then we can see the payment. Basically this is not the payment, this is the return of 4 fountain pump, and our first bill was $525, and for returning pump return, we pump return on 1040 statement. So when we return this pump, minus 60, 525 minus 60 is equal to 465. These things shown here, and we don't have to do journal because we didn't make this transaction fully. If we do these things receive payment, or if we do this thing receive payment on basically on statements, when we make an invoice, then we can do this. But partially paid, if we want to finish this, we have to make this receive payment. Okay, it will take something 460, we can see here, and we make this clear payment. original amount, and you can see the balance, and we can see save and close. If we paid 465, we can write there 465 payment. No, sir, close. This is payment, this is saved. This payment we can see here, it is closed. And for this refund 65, and for this refund 75, this recent refund is related with this memo 139 master we have. We have to sell 3 design. Maybe I did it wrong. I don't enter the quantity. Yes, I have to take the quantity on 3. Now this is correct. Here is 225, but I got a refund, so that's why minus 75 is going out from my deposited funds. Okay, that's for all. Thank you very much.